Hello everyone! Today we are going to learn a new phrasal verb, and that is ramp up. R-A-M-P, ramp, U-P, up. Ramp up. The meaning of ramp up is to increase the level of something sharply. To increase the quantity of something, or to increase any activity. Or we can also understand it in this way, that when there is a large increase in any quantity or level or activity, we can use this phrasal verb ramp up. For example, we need to ramp up our sales. Means we need to increase the number of sales sharply in large number. Okay, let's take one more example. Pharmaceutical companies have ramped up their production during this pandemic. See, it's very simple. Whenever you are trying to tell that there is a sharp increase or increase in large quantity, you can use the ramp up. I hope you have understood this phrasal verb, and if you have understood it well, please let me know in the comment section. I would be really happy to know. This is Anushree signing off. Thank you.